We're making Sunday dinner. I hadn't made it in a while, but we're making it today. Okay, I just sprayed me a 8x8 casserole dish. We're gonna slice up some onion. Just do it in rings. We want these in rings. Okay, we're just going to pop these rings right in our casserole dish. Okay, so we've got one large onion. You can do as many onions as you want. We've just got one sliced onion here. We're just going to make sure they're kind of pulled apart. Okay, just like that. We're going to go ahead and put on a little bit of pepper, maybe about a half a teaspoon, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Just going to give them a little flavor. Now we have a bag of frozen mushrooms. And we're just going to pop them right in, right on top of our onions. Guys, you're going to love this Sunday dinner. Then we have a package of hamburger meat. I'm going to pop it right in, whatever you have. We're going to go ahead and put in about a teaspoon of pepper. We want it flavorful. And about a teaspoon of salt. I don't want it too salty, but we want it to taste good. And now we're going to put in about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, now we're going to put in about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Just a teaspoon. And a teaspoon of chopped onion. Just a little bit. We've already got onions in there, but we want to give this a little bit more onion. Now we're just going to go in with our hands. We don't want to over mix it, but we want that flour in there. Just until we get most of that flour incorporated. It don't have to be perfect, but we are going to get it incorporated. I'm just going to cut it in half. And now I'm just going to take it and half this. Okay, and we're just going to make our hamburgers and pop it right on top. And I'm making these kind of big. This would make about 8 small if you wanted to do small, but we're going to do we're going to do big ones today. Little kids can have one, or you can make their own. Whatever is your decision. But me and my husband will have this for 2 days. We'll split it. But you can get a bigger casserole, use 2 pounds of hamburger, use half turkey, half turkey and half hamburger. Okay, just like that. Okay, and this is one of my favorite things to add. And you will not believe how delicious this is. My sister taught me this. Put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on each burger. You're going to find it's amazing. We've got that garlic powder in there, and Worcestershire sauce makes a delicious, delicious seasoning. We're going to lightly cover this with foil for about, because we don't want our hamburgers to burn, for about 30 minutes. Simple, simple, simple. Now we got to have some side dishes. And oh, have I got a side dish for you. Okay guys, now we have just a small casserole dish. I have 2 cans of whole potatoes. We're going to pop them right in. This is one of my favorite side dishes. And I got this recipe years ago at a high-end restaurant, and some of you said, oh, high-end restaurants do not use this. You would be blown away what they use. This is for a big banquet, and this was a high-end, and this is what they used: canned potatoes. You don't even know. You don't even know. And people used to say, oh, I want the recipe. I want the recipe. So we're putting in 4 tablespoons of butter. And you can say that's just not true, Miss. It is true. Except for they had great big cans. Great big cans. They'd put the 4 tablespoons of butter in, the tablespoons of butter, but they would put big, oh, you just wouldn't believe it. Anyway, but these were like 400 and 500 people we would be feeding. Nobody had time to cut fresh potatoes, okay? All right, so we put quite a bit of garlic powder in there. Now we're gonna put in about I'd say a teaspoon of white pepper. I'm telling y'all, they're out of this world. Then we're just gonna stir it up. When that butter melts, woo, we put these uncovered in our oven. These right here, blow you away. Okay, so we have, oh, this is going to be a great Sunday dinner. And you can double all this if you want to. If you've got more people coming, you can double it, do whatever you like. This is the canned potatoes that I used. You know what, guys? Forgot to put in the salt. So you're going to need about a teaspoon of salt. Back in the oven. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Everything that I have in there is cooking at 400 degrees. And you think, that is high. It is perfect. And you say, Miss Fran, what are you going to make? I have an angel food cake that I had froze that I bought from Walmart. And sometimes I buy them just in case I need a quick dessert or someone comes over, or, you know, like today, I want a quick, but I want a delicious dessert. I want something deserving of Sunday dinner. Okay, I have some fresh strawberries, but they're frozen, that I put up this year. And I love them. They're gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. And so I'm going to heat these up in the microwave, and then we're gonna make us a little dessert. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and dump these right in. They should pop right out. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna slice up our cake a little bit. Even though it's frozen, it slices perfect. We're just gonna lay it down. We're going to go ahead and lay our Cool Whip right on top. And I love the way this sits in the refrigerator. Oh, it just tastes so good. Just cover it really good. All right, I'm just taking it out of the microwave and kind of breaking it up a little bit after about 2 minutes. I'm just going to put just a little bit of lemon juice right over it, probably about a tablespoon of lemon juice. These smell just like the day that I picked them and put them in those cups. We've got to put our strawberries on here. If you guys like my Sunday dinner videos and want me to bring them back, just comment below and let me know. I've kind of missed them myself. Okay, we're going to put in a half a cup of sugar. Just going to kind of, oh, that smells so good. Some people may put more, but I'm only doing a half a cup. Because these were already sweet. Let me taste them. That's so good. That's good, guys. You can put them as big or as small as you want. We kind of left ours kind of big. That's going to be good. Another little layer of whipped cream right over the top. Just a light layer. Kind of break up those juices so it won't wet our cake so much. That was a very thin layer, okay? We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put it right over our cakes. Okay, we're just going to pour this right on top. That looks absolutely delicious. We're just going to put the lid right on our little Sunday dessert and stick it in the refrigerator. Okay, since we're having poor man's steak, we're going to have some garlic bread. And I had some garlic bread, and I love this. I get it out of the bakery at Walmart. And I took the foil off a little later than I normally do, but we're going to let this cook down just a hair bit. Okay, I got our potatoes out of the oven, then they're not ready. But what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of, they're going to get a little crispy crust on them from that butter. The can of potatoes will become one of your favorite side dishes. I'm just saying, I know what I'm talking about. You have to try this. I want to let you guys know I will get to all your comments. I've not really been able to answer a lot of comments this week, but I will be on them this coming week. My mom has been sick and in the hospital with pneumonia, and we need prayer. She's doing a lot better. She is home now, and she is doing better. And we've had some little kind of like little emergencies around the house. So bear with me. I do not like to not answer comments, but please keep them coming because I love your comments. And I feel like when I'm not answering comments, I love to know what you're doing. I love to know what you think of my recipes. I love your feedback. So please keep them coming. Subscribe to my channel, comment. You guys are so precious to me, and I miss you. When I have not been able to talk with you or comment with you, I really do miss it. Okay, in the summertime, we love a fresh tomato. My husband especially. Oh my goodness. So we're going to slice up this beautiful tomato. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Wow. So we're going to add in some celery and some carrots. Just a little summer side dish. Okay, our hamburger and onions and mushrooms are done. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can't wait to eat. I'm starving. Now our potatoes are done. These are so crispy, guys, and have just, oh, absolutely wonderful. I'm going to put these back in the oven for about, I don't know, 5 or 10 more minutes. These are so crusty and beautiful. I'm telling you, you got to make them. You got to make them. Oh. I've put our garlic bread in. I'm going to put a little bit of foil over this so to stay warm. Oh. Guys, this is Sunday dinner, poor man's steak. Oh my gosh. Rich people don't eat this good. All right. My favorite, I'm going to try the potatoes. Guys, these potatoes just take me back. Oh my gosh, they just take me to luxury. If you want to add a little bit of steak sauce to your poor man's steak, go right ahead. Guys, it's so moist and tender and flavorful. Okay, guys. It's strawberry shortcake time, or strawberry angel food cake time. Oh my gosh. We gotta try it. I don't really have any room for dessert, but I'm gonna make it. That angel food cake is so good with them fresh strawberries, that whipped cream. I love angel food cake. It's light and refreshing. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.